Hi, welcome back to my channel. Namaste, I'm Neeta. We completed 5 episodes of Hashtag Positivity. This is our 6th episode of Hashtag Positivity. In this demo, we are going to see some clay work and some M-Seal or epoxy compound work to create Deep Mala or Tree of Lamps. You can practice in child clay, and after good practice, you can do your final work in any medium like M-Seal epoxy compound or chalk powder, etc. I prefer to use M-Seal because M-Seal gives good results creating details, and it also remains strong and sturdy permanently. To start with, make a round, flat, thick base of child clay. Take another dough of child clay, mold a round shape, keep central portion thick and circumference thin, mold flower-like petals on circumference and convert these petals into diyas. Fix this diya flower on the base. Make another base for another such diya flower. Now fix this new diya flower on base in such a way that every diya flower of upper circle comes in between every gap of 2 diyas from lower diya flower. Now place third small round flat base dough at the center of this second diya flower. Mold single small diya and fix it on the base at the top. In this way, our child clay deep mala is completed. You can mold such deep mala from wheat flour dough. Here is a transparent glass bottle for second part of demo. We will use some M-Seal work and plastic spoons here. Cut them and bend them. Need M-Seal hardener resin in equal proportion. Cover the spoons with well kneaded M-Seal and fix it on the bottle as shown here. Follow the markings on the bottle as shown here. If you don't have spoons, you can use hard card sheet. You can also utilize broken handles of the spoons. Now after completing M-Seal work and drying after 4 hours, I am going to paint Deep Mala in texture white. Texture white 2 coats are completed and dried well. Now I am going to paint this Deep Mala with metallic red color, acrylic color. So in this way our Deep Mala is completed. I am going to put some colored transparent water as well as wheat dough diyas and wicks in those diyas. This is our wheat dough Deep Mala, which we practiced in clay work, looking beautiful. And this is our bigger glass bottle Deep Mala or tree of diyas. शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते. So in this way we have completed our 6th episode. Hope you like it. You try it, and before trying it, before creating it, you have to see the description below. Thank you.